pathetic condition of government hospitals. Over here, this presently, since last several days, we don't have staff nurses, we don't have healthcare workers, we don't have servants to help the patients. These patients, 35 of them, critical condition, in this bed, in this ward. None of them have any relative with them. None of them have any means to go to the washroom. None of them has any means to feed them or let them have some sips of water. And since last several hours, there is no staff nurse and there are no servants in this ward. Only 3 residents, including me, are working here. Even critical life-saving medicines are being prepared and administered by residents right now. So we are overburdened. We are unable to manage this 35 patients on our own. Several attempts and several calls have been sent to the higher authorities. Nobody is doing nothing. So yeah, and it's nothing new as such for a government hospital like this. It's just that nobody talks about it. And now people are all ears about it because it's all about COVID, right? So that's why at least now I hope that people will listen to the plight of patients who get treated in a government setup like this. India spends such ridiculously small amount of GDP on healthcare, and this is no surprise. This was the inevitability that was supposed to happen with this.
The patient is already sick. I am feeling helpless right now. I can't do anything. I can't let person die in front of my eyes. I have no one to help me right now. Only 3 colleagues of myself and 2 other colleagues are there. There is no servant or no staff to here. People are dying in front of my eyes and I can't let that happen. I am only loading the drugs. I am intubating the patient. I am giving DC cardioverted for. सारा काम मैं ही कर रहा हूँ और 3 लोग और 35 सिक पेशेंट्स हैं जो कभी भी मर सकते हैं, तो उनको बचाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ मैं. इट्स इनह्यूमन, इट इज़ अनएथिकल एंड इट इज़ गोइंग आउट ऑफ हैंड, इट इज़ गोइंग हेयरवायर. I request anybody who's a young or fit person is there to please come and join here for the cause, because the staff has run away and the normal other healthcare workers are not even touching the patient, not even treating the patient. The only doctors who are taking this and trying to save the patient. I think after some time they will also give up. So it's going to give up. I'm right now loading sodium nitrate because the patient is in full acidosis and the patient might die if I won't do it.
So this is the ground reality here. Has been there similarly since last many years. So just ask your authorities, ask your governance, like where is all the money going, if not in the most 35-bedded KEM hospital, Mumbai, the epicenter of COVID pandemic in India. अगर यहाँ पे you cannot provide healthcare, so it's just a joke. Whatever you see in the media or wherever, everything's just a joke. अगर यहाँ पे ऐसा situation है तो बाकी जगह पे तो you rather not imagine it.